morning, you guys, and welcome back to my vlog. I know I haven't been vlogging, but I have been posting videos. Make sure you guys go check them out on my channel. I'm trying to, like, if I post a video, like, that's just gonna be the video for that day, so it's not necessarily a vlog. But yeah, I just made a TikTok. Go check it out. Follow me on TikTok at Brittany Wholesales. I'll leave it right here. But today is just a beach day for me and my dogs, and so I literally work from home, and like I feel bad that my dogs are like in the house all day. So we're about to have a beach day with Pepper. You're about to have a beach day, Pepper. You want to go to the water? I'll go to the water. Yeah, so that's what we're about to do. I'm not really putting on any makeup. I am just I just put on like my lashes just in case I run into like a celebrity or something. I just want to be like, you know, I just want to be like straight. So I'm really just going to put in my beauty supply store earrings, because y'all know I love my beauty supply store earrings. I actually need to buy me some real gold earrings because I'm getting tired of buying new earrings every time they fade. So I'm actually in a good mood. I slept pretty late today. It's like 2 o'clock, so I'm actually in a pretty good mood. I'm always in a good mood when I wake up later. Kind of cranky when I wake up early. So I have both of my ears pierced, so that's why I have all these earrings in. And then I'm not putting on the makeup. The only thing I did was my eyelashes, and I just filled in my eyebrows. I didn't even conceal them, but they're already arched, so I don't have to conceal. Then of course I'm putting in my infamous nose piercings. Again, these are fake. You can shop these on my site because everybody is on the nose piercing waves. I ain't gonna lie, my parents and folks ain't messing with it, but yo, this is my style. This is my style. So yeah, I'm about to clean up my room, and then yeah, you guys will see me in the car. So we're about 20 minutes from the beach, so I will see you when we get there. The beach. Look at me, I'm being so happy. You happy? You happy? Okay, so now we gotta find parking. I know. Excited? Come on, Pepper. You excited to be at the beach? Is you excited? You excited? I really gotta like hold him. Like, oh my God. Chill out, come here. Come here, Pepper. The water ain't going nowhere, chill out. Jesus, have mercy on my soul. Hey, it's okay, boy. He acting wild, isn't he, Princess? He be creeping, look. Look how you pulling it. Child. Pepper. That's why I gotta have him. Come here, Pep. Come here. Come here. Come here. He do not listen, y'all. And Pepper usually listen. Come here, Pepper. Come here. Come here. Come here. Catch your breath, sir. Pepper, catch your breath. Pepper do not freaking listen. Like, Jesus. Well, he don't like taking no bath though, but he'll sit here and play in beach water all day. Like, what's this to that man?
Prim. Ready to go? Sweet. You have fun? You have fun? Hey, chill out. You have fun? Ooh, lashes on fleek. I know y'all see them lashes. You have fun? Ooh. We about to go tuka tuka. Sleep. Yeah, y'all see what that beach do? Sleep. And look at him. Up. What you on 10 for? Go to sleep. What you on 10 for? Sit down. Shawty tired right here though. Y'all, he is really mad because we left the beach. Pepper. Pepper. So this is what I use to wash Pepper and Princess. I just took a shower, so I'm about to give him a shower now. So look, y'all, he want to sit and be all in the beach water, but he don't want to take no shower. Come here. Just pillow. So, yeah. It's your king. It's your king. So this is kind of like a short little vloggy vlog. Just something just to show you what pretty much what I did today. Nothing too fancy. Just spent the day with my dogs. Now I'm about to take a nap because we are all tired. Princess right here, just take a bath. Pepper's right here. And me right here. About to sleep. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, deuces.